War, battles, gunfights, they're a very scary and emotional thing. Shots are being fired, bombs are getting dropped, there's minefields. Things that will, at best, blow a limb off, at worst, cause someone to lose their life.
Served in the Army for about 9.5 years in a combat engineer role. It's a heavy task to give to a young soldier to go look for roadside bombs.
Simple tasks like delivering water and fuel out to sustain forces. That was a life-threatening mission. Those drivers were exposed on a day in and day out basis to explosives, to small arms fire. People would die trying to get us supplies to execute missions.
Certainly there has to be a better way to do this.
Forterra is a company which develops ground vehicle autonomy.
In a nutshell, we make self-driving vehicles to really help out folks who are tackling the hardest missions.
The name of the game is about taking people out of harm's way and operating more efficiently and effectively.
Where Forterra is focused is in non-public roads, off-road, areas where there is no map.
The autonomy has to work in that sort of unconstrained, unknown environment. Absolutely core to the way that our autonomy operates is its perception stack, and that perception stack is largely built around Lidar.
Lidar actually stands for light detection and ranging, and it's the principle of emitting light, bouncing it off objects, and timing how long it takes to come back. Very similar to echolocation, but with light. Ouster is a leading provider of high-performance digital Lidar sensors. What it does is it gives machines superhuman vision on where obstacles are in the environment, so they can do safe and important work navigating through those environments.
When it comes to some of the dusty environments that we work in, the foggy, rainy environments that defense applications require, we've found that Lidar is the right tool for the job. That's a good use of technology to be able to take people out of harm's way.
That is 100% the mission of what Forterra is trying to do.
Every morning when I wake up, my first thought is around these young service members, 18, 20-year-old men and women out executing these missions.
The long supply chains that are a necessity in any military operation are some of the most vulnerable and some of the first that can be protected with autonomy technology. Really just getting drivers out of those seats.
Pushing a robot through that minefield, the worst case scenario is you just lost a robot. Something you can go print. You can't go print a human life. That is irreplaceable.